Hey guys, Pastor Tanner here. Bible Engagement Project base packages. Yes, I have heard the cries and lamentations of the people. Many of you reached out to me and you said, hey, I like your buying guides, but where are these Bible Engagement Project base packages? I didn't know about them before, okay? I happened to miss these in my initial review, so I'm putting together a review now to go through all of these base packages in order, and I'm going to compare them to themselves and to the tier in which they reside, okay? So stay tuned. Now, my understanding of the Bible Engagement Project base packages is that they occupy the Assemblies of God tradition, okay? So if you're in this tradition, these might be packages that you're looking for. Jumping in right away, let's go into the bronze base package. Here, I'm seeing practical commentaries galore. This thing is chock full of practical commentaries. We're talking two fantastic single volume commentaries in the form of the New Bible Commentary and the Bible Knowledge Commentary. These things are fantastic. They're some of my first references whenever I'm doing some research. Also, I love the 2-volume IVP Bible background commentaries. I believe one is the older edition, the first edition, but it's still fantastic. These are great offerings. The Bible Speaks Today is the heavy hitter for this package, 55 volumes. This is amazing. You get the full set. It's a really good commentary. It's very even-keeled. It covers a lot of issues that are relevant both to academics and to those who are preaching or teaching. It's a very nice series. And not only that, you get the Life Application New Testament commentary. This is a great little reference work. I love referencing application commentaries in order to spark my imagination for my congregation. Now, beyond the commentaries, this is where the package gets a little bit weaker. They put a lot of their eggs in the commentary basket. You're weak on dictionaries, although you do get the New Bible Dictionary. That might be enough for some users. It's a really good volume. You also get many different monographs on spirit-filled living. So if you're very interested in this more devotional aspect of Christianity, this might be right for you. This package is also weak on the original languages, just not a lot of treatment when it comes to lexicons, grammars, etc. So make sure you're not looking for those sorts of things. Now, how does this package shape up when it compares to its other bronze companions? I feel like this package is very similar to Standard or Methodist and Wesleyan. Now, in Methodist and Wesleyan, you don't get the full Bible Speaks Today, but you do get the Wesleyan commentaries to shore it up. Whereas in Standard, you're getting that Thompson Chain reference series, so you have to ask yourself which direction you're more interested in going. However, I will say this. Remember, I gave Methodist and Wesleyan my best buy at the bronze tier, so this certainly is a solid offering. All right, moving on to silver. Here we have an upgrade for the more serious student or pastor, shoring up with more exegetical commentary focus, okay? We get the NAC here, the New American Commentary, plus a handful of NIC volumes as well. Both of these are a little bit more academic in their offering, a little bit more exegetical for deeper word-level study. Also, we're getting a little bit more when it comes to dictionaries, Tyndale Bible Dictionary, and Erdman's Dictionary of the Bible. This shores up the weak offerings at the first level, but we're still a little light here. Many counseling monographs. This is really cool to see these offered here. So if you're a pastor who's often getting into situations where you need to counsel people or help them through practical situations in life, this is a really good package tailored to your needs. And here, guys, I have to mention the standout resource in the silver base package. This is the Berean School of Bible, digital courses, 27 courses. A lot of your value is being tied up here. These courses have been available for a while, but they haven't been in a base package before. So it's nice to see them offered here to really discount that price a little bit for you. You may be unsure what you're getting here when you hear Berean School, but these are really about character growth and development, spiritual living. For that, they're excellent. Now, I do want you to know their integration can be buggy at times. I clicked on one of the hot links in one of them and it crashed my Logos. And I believe it's just because these used to reside on the internet before they brought them into Logos. But if you can get past those issues, these are really nice courses for personal devotion. Compared to other silver base packages, this one reminds me quite a bit of Standard. Now, Standard was a little bit more academic, whereas this one's a little bit more practical. You really just have to ask yourself, do you want the Berean School? All right, moving on now to Gold. Gold is more practical application, plus our first real focus on original language studies. In the commentary area, we're looking at Tyndale commentaries. I love these. They're great value, lots of volumes, good bang for your buck. Life Application Bible commentaries. I also love these. This is an expansion on the 1-volume set you've had before. Good to see. New Covenant Commentary Series, not well known, underrated, I think, also nice to see. And the Biblical Illustrator, okay? This is an older compilation of a bunch of older commentaries. I really like digging through these, but it's a unique and a little bit more dated offering. On the dictionary front, we're finally getting up to snuff. We've got the IVP Black Dictionaries, 8 volumes, and the ISBE Revised 4 volumes. These are great additions to shore up where we were at before. Original languages, guys, theological lexicons of the Old and New Testament, and the theological dictionary of the New Testament, the abridged version, okay? Both of these are really appreciated offerings because we want to focus on those original languages that we've been lacking. Also, guys, I love to see the exegetical dictionary of the New Testament offered here. This is one that's a little bit of a sleeper volume, but if you can dig into this, you're going to really like it. I love following this volume. All right, guys, compared to silver, this is a big bump. I like the offerings here. I like a lot of what they're bringing to the table, but you have to ask yourself if the price bump from silver is worth it. Now, compared to other golds, I'm getting Baptist vibes here. Maybe the Biblical Illustrator tipped me off in that direction, but there are a lot of offerings that seem to be of this more practical bent, so make sure that's what you're looking for. All right, guys, let's get into platinum. Platinum really bumps up that academic emphasis, all the while maintaining that practical focus. Interesting balance here. When it comes to commentaries, Cornerstone Biblical Commentaries, I like these. These are very, very nice, middle-of-the-road commentaries, not too academic, but very aware, good offerings. And also, guys, quite a few of the exegetical summaries. Some of you guys may know, these are volumes I really like to reference in Logos. They actually summarize so much of what the common commentaries say on a specific passage, and they can really streamline your research. Few other commentaries here, the Opening Up series, Pillar, great exegetical set, NIGTC, another really good Greek word level study set. Awesome to see. Not only that, guys, they really shored you up lexically as well. We're talking Theological Dictionary of the New Testament, full 10-volume set, very good, and the Theological Dictionary of the Old Testament, full 15-volume set. A lot of value here. Finally, nice to see some of the highest quality of works when it comes to the original languages. In addition to this, guys, you're getting several more systematic theology monographs, and also Andrew Murray. You're getting quite a bit of him added at this level. There were some of his works in the previous package, but here we're really adding many of them. Compared to gold, I really like this nice academic-oriented upgrade. I think it's really shoring up a lot of the weaknesses, and it's really putting this package on par with other platinum packages. With that said, I find it to be a really well-balanced package with a high commentary emphasis. So if you like the commentaries, this is a pretty good one at the platinum level. All right, guys, what is my best buy? Only 4 to choose from. I got to give it to bronze. Bronze hits really hard at this level. It really does. So much value in this small little bronze package. Good to see. Might want to pick it up. For my runner-up, platinum competes very nicely with other platinum base packages. Overall, guys, I was impressed with the Bible Engagement Project offerings, and I'm glad you guys pestered me to do a review on it. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Appreciate all your love and support. Take care. God bless. Bye.